Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do tulip flower like this. To do this flower, we need wire like this wire, I think 0.6 mm, and yarn, 2 colors of yarn. Either you can do this one, you see I use 3 color, green, and the petal is, there are 2 colors here, but this one plain 1 color. I'm going to use the petal 1 color, and the stem, for the stem is green color. I already done complete. We need to do 4 petals, so I already done 1 petals, okay, 3 petals. Now I'm going to show you how to do the another one. Okay, once I done complete, I show you how to assemble everything. Okay, and inside this petal there is a pearl inside there is a pearl here, you see inside. You can use this pearl. This is a gold color pearl, but in the camera I'm not very sure. I can see like a white only. You can even use red color pearl. I'm using this pearl. We are going to fix this. Use the wire. Take out the wire. The same wire we are going to do for all the petals and this pearl. We will do in one flower. In one flower we do 3 pearls here. You see, 3 pearls here. Okay, just insert the pearl inside the pearl, inside the wire. Sometimes when the hole is very small, it won't go into the just you have to select the smallest wire, or either if you want you can see. Okay. Already. Okay, now fold the wire into 2. Okay, fold the wire into 2 and squeeze them like this. Both wire, squeeze them like this. Okay, later, so you make 3 of this. Okay, like this. Okay, now we do the petal. Okay, we are going to do the petal. I'm going to make 15 chain. Okay, already complete 15 chain. So we are going to make 1 single crochet in the second chain. Second from the hook. We are going to make 1 single crochet, then 1 double crochet, then we are going to make triple crochet in 10 stitches. Okay, once we complete 10 triple crochet, I'll show you how it comes. Okay, complete 10. Now we are going to make 1 double crochet in the next, and we are going to make in the last one here, we are going to make 9 double crochet. Okay, then 9, then we make 1 double crochet. The next stitch, this is we are turning around already. Okay, don't make sure you didn't miss out the stitches. Okay, 1 double crochet. Then we are going to make 10 triple crochet. In 10 stitches we are going to make triple crochet. Okay, complete 10 triple crochet, then 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet in the end. Then we are going to make 1 single slip stitch. When you're doing the slip stitch, you can insert the wire like this and together slip stitch, then make 15 single crochet in 15 single crochet in 15 stitches. 1 single crochet in 15 stitches. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 13 okay, 15 single crochet. And 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and you do 3 double crochet in the next. Then 1 double crochet, and we in the balance we do 1 single crochet in each. Once you complete, do 4 petals of this. Once you complete 4 petals, one side. Slip stitch with the wire here. Okay, squeeze the wire together. Cut off the yarn. Do 4 petals of this. See? Okay. Once you have completed 4 petals, I'll show you how to make it. We have 4 pieces here, and we got the pearl with the stick wire like this. I'm going to adjust like one higher, one shorter like this. Then squeeze them all together like this. Later we are going to make the flower like this. The petals, we need 4 petals, remember. You can put even the seeds. Consider this is the seed. Okay, and this one, you see the flowers, the seed is there. Okay, Now we are going to wrap. We are going to wrap this wire, all these petals, and the pearl we are going to make. We wrap it around like this. Make sure when you wrap it, wrap around the wires, all the wires like that. So even the red yarn there, close everything nicely. Close everything nicely. See the petals now it's okay. This is the easiest flower I think to do. 4 petals per flower. You have to wrap around until the end. If you want to do with the, there is a wrapping paper, isn't it? Can use that also, but normally I won't use it. You know why? When I do with yarn itself, I can wash it and keep it back, but when we use paper, the paper will come out later on. Okay, completed. Look at this. Nice, isn't it? With the stem all green color. Okay. Okay, you can do many colors on tulip flowers. Okay, you can put in nice, isn't it? Okay, I hope you will give a try to do this. Thank you for watching. Thank you.